I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove a credit or debit card from your Apple Wallet. Are you looking to declutter your Apple Wallet or need to remove an outdated or lost credit or debit card? Managing your digital wallet is an important part of staying secure and organized in today's digital world. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of removing a credit or debit card from your Apple Wallet on your iPhone or iPad. Doing this is a great way to ensure your Apple Wallet is up to date and secure. Now let's walk through the steps to remove a credit or debit card from your Apple Wallet. Step 1. Open the Wallet app on your Apple iPhone or iPad. The Wallet screen opens where you'll see a list of the credit and debit cards in your digital wallet. Step 2. Tap the card you want to remove from your Apple Wallet. The high-level information screen for that card is shown. Step 3. Tap the ellipses icon at the top of the screen to open a menu and then tap Card Details in that menu. The detailed information screen for that credit or debit card opens. Step 4. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu and then tap Remove Card. A pop-up appears letting you know that removing this card will also remove your transaction history with that card. Step 5. Tap Remove. You'll return to the screen showing the list of credit and debit cards in your Apple Wallet where you'll see this specific card has been removed. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.